Parkview.
I'm Alexis. We're super average.
And this is our Amazing Race project.
So, our guidelines. Teams are going to be made up of a man, a man's girlfriend, and sex. The race will happen in the fall because that's a pretty chill season now. And the prize will be $100.
So our first leg is Parkview Fieldhouse. So Parkview has been around for 10 years, making it built in 2009. And so our physical task will be, it's called Johnny Johnny. Team will have to run on the baseball diamond. You have to find 9 signed balls by the players, the starters, and you have 40 minutes to complete. And for our mental task, it's going to be a trivia. So it's going to consist of food, players, history about the field house. And so the player who is going will have a hat filled with condiments such as mustard or ketchup. And if you get the trivia question wrong, you have to wear the hat. You have 1 hour to complete 3 components.
Next we have Sydney's Diner. Sydney's Diner has been a focal place to Fort Wayne since 1952. This small diner gives the contestants a nice 1950s feeling with also a great lunch or breakfast. Speaking of lunch, our physical challenge is called What Can You Spell? Teams will have to recreate a dish from the menu. This dish will be randomly chosen for them and given to them from a card. They will have to create this dish with the limited ingredients provided for them. They have 30 minutes to complete this. Then for the mental challenge, they will do a matching game. They will have to try and match a picture of the dish with the name of the food, and they won't have any idea what it looks like. They have 1 hour, no, they have 25 minutes to complete this challenge.
So our next leg would be Cancun, Mexico. And this culture relates to Fort Wayne because 8.7% of the Hispanic race makes up Fort Wayne, and 68% is American. So for our physical test, it's called Muertos de Sugar. So the team will have to bake 15 sugar skulls for Dia de los Muertos, and you have to decorate them with different altars, and they'll be judged by, oh no, this will be, you have 2 hours to complete this. And so for our mental tag, it's called parade planning. So you design a flow for the Dia de los Muertos, and you must include specific things like the altar, the specific costumes, flowers, and food. And it will be judged by a man named David, who you have 1 hour to complete this.
Next is Brasilia, Brazil. Brasilia has many cultural places, including churches, reserves, and their national congress. This relates to the main places we have in Fort Wayne, like our Island County Court Administration and St. Mary's Catholic Church. We don't have 2 detours, this time we have a roadblock. For the roadblock, teams will have to do a dance called Bombo Muy Bien. They will have 45 minutes to practice this dance and 30 minutes to perform at the Claudio Santoro National Theater. Next, we have Nairobi, Kenya. Nairobi has many national reserves and parks for their animals, and we have many here like that in Fort Wayne, like our Eagle Marsh National Reserve. For the physical challenge, they are going to have to track a random animal, and you're not going to know what this animal is until the end. They will track it throughout the Nairobi National Park. They have 1 hour and a half to determine the animal they're tracking. Or they can do the mental challenge, which is also a matching game. They will have to match an animal's tracks with the animal. They have 25 minutes to complete 20 animal matches.
So our next location is Rome, Italy, and it connects to Fort Wayne because Rome began next to the Tiber River, and Fort Wayne began next to rivers because we have the 3 Rivers Festival, things like that. And so we have another roadblock, and our roadblock will be teams will have to race a chariot around the track for an hour. Our next one is Athens, Greece, and it connects culturally because in Athens there are 350 churches. Well, the biggest religion there is Christianity. And here in Fort Wayne, we have 350 churches, and we are commonly called the city of churches. And for a physical task, teams will have to sail a boat on a river without hitting any obstacles for around an hour. For the mental task, they will have to give a tour of the Acropolis without any guidance.
So the next one is London, Britain. London was originally formed next to the river Thames that shows great, it shows great importance to Britain, just as Fort Wayne's new rivers. The physical challenge will be teams will receive or will somebody have to pick up 3 different groups and take them to the destination. They have 1 hour to complete this. And the mental challenge is we're down Romeo where contestants have to memorize the part where Romeo and Juliet perform and in front of the judge 1 hour to practice and 1 hour to present.
So our next leg is Paris, France. This is a road. Our log is called Mont Eiffel. Your goal is to climb to the 2nd floor of the Eiffel Tower whilst getting as many phone numbers as possible and throwing as much as you can.
So the next one is Berlin, Germany. Berlin, Germany has many wonderful sights to see and to visit. One of them is the Frederiksted Platz, and the physical challenge is the Christmas in Berlin. Teams will have to dress up in either Nita chosen or Darren will have to learn and attempt to sing German Christmas carols 30 minutes to practice and 45 minutes to perform. And the mental challenge is the meat pattern. Teams will have to try 7 different types of German sausage. They will have to name all of the best of their ability in 45 to complete. 45 minutes.
So our next location is Seoul, South Korea, and it connects to Fort Wayne, well, Indiana, or America, I should say, because over there they disconnected. So now you have Seoul, you have North and South Korea, and that caused the Korean War. And over here we disconnected from Great Britain, and we had that caused a revolutionary war. From our physical task, we will have to run around a mall, and you will have a list of things that you need to shop for, and you need to find all those within a given amount of time. And for our mental, you will have to sing along with an interactive traditional song, and you sing with audience. You have 30 minutes to practice, and you have 50 minutes to perform.
The next lake is Takanka. This happens to be Fort Wayne's sister city. The physical task is race to the top. You will choose from 4 different routes of Mount Fuji and attempt to climb in under 24 hours. Our mental is to make which is a traditional dish around the time of New Year's for Japan. Contestants will turn, wet, and pound mochigome in rhythm.
So our next leg is Tasmania, Australia. So this culture relates to Fort Wayne because in the Fort Wayne Children's Zoo, in the Australian exhibit, we have the Tasmanian devil, which is Tasmania's national animal. And for our physical challenge, the team will go around. We have to try to find 2 Tasmanian devils, but you can't disturb them in their natural habitat. So you have 1 hour to complete this. So for our mental task, it's called model way. The team will have to design a 3D model of the Tasmanian devil, which has their lifestyle and 3 facts included. And you have 45 minutes to complete this task.
The next leg is Alberta, Canada. For our rationale, Canada happens to be Indiana's largest trading partner. They mainly ship auto parts and cars, and Fort Wayne receives great technologies. For our physical task, there's a famous festival in Canada, specifically Alberta, called Halloween Stampede, and it's based off of rodeos, horse rodeos mainly, and you have to complete a horse rodeo in a given time, 30 minutes. For our mental task, we have, it's based off of First Nations in Canada, Treaty 7. You are to go to their teepees. They set up teepees during this festival. You learn as much as you can about the culture and try to perform the festival.
For our next Fort Wayne place, we picked Lincoln Tower. Lincoln Tower has been one of our historical places since 1905. It has become important since it was Fort Wayne's first skyscraper, and it did originally hold the German-American Bank. For our physical challenge, we call it the hidden picture. It will be a scavenger hunt, and you have to try and find 3D pieces in the decor. Once you find these and put them together, it will create an image either of the Lincoln Tower or one of the murals that are in the lobby. And then for the mental challenge, we call it mural recreation, and you will have to try and recreate one of the murals that are in the Lincoln Tower lobby. You can either draw, paint, or use pastels to recreate. We have an hour to do that.
The next one is the Fort Wayne's Children's Zoo. The Fort Wayne's Children's Zoo is there to educate children and learn all about animals throughout the world. And the physical challenge is volunteer to use the fear factor and volunteer to work 3 categories: land, object, or reptile. Care for the animals in your category. 1 hour to complete the task for your chosen animal. And for the mental challenge is keeping the zoo in tune. Teams will write a children's song about the zoo animal, about the animals in the zoo. Perform a group of children at the zoo. Perform to a group of children at the zoo. 45 minutes to perform and 45 minutes to write and 10 minutes to perform.
This map shows each of our cities and has a point for each of them that we chose that connect to Fort Wayne, and Fort Wayne included. It'll show visual representation of where we plan to go. And that is our amazing race.
I think we got about 2 minutes for feedback. So if anybody wants to say anything to these guys.
I appreciate all the great Fort Wayne facts. You did a lot of research on the zoo and Lincoln Tower, City's Diner. I thought that was really cool. You mentioned all the little tidbits. I have one question. How long do you guys think someone can complete this task? Are these a couple months, a year? How long do you think it will take someone to do that?
Are we all together?
Yeah.